Well, I think when AI scales nationally, one thing which people should know is that to build in the trust and responsibility into the systems as we move along, because this is not something which you can do later. I mean, once the systems are built, then it's hard to sort of rebuild with security and safety. But so that's what I would be very, very concerned about, and hence responsible AI is so critical. Organizations often think that innovation and responsible AI are at each other's at loggerheads, but the truth is that they actually one facilitates the other or one enables the other. So it's important for organizations to sort of build it in and not worry about the fact that it'll curb innovation, because if you do not have, if the underestimation which organizations do is broadly around the fact that if you build in too much of this trust and compliance early on, it will slow down the system. But actually the truth is that that actually gives you imperative strategic growth in terms of in the long term. That's the only thing to do. Well, we've always had our own set of standards, as we get into it. I mean, we did that with digital public infrastructure and the way today India leads in the DPIs worldwide. So similar structure, similar thinking around setting standards for AI. And quite honestly, our DPDP is sort of an example of that, setting standards in a way that it becomes very open, very simple, and not necessarily led by innovation in many ways, and making sure that we don't overdo the regulatory part itself. Scale is no longer an issue as we move forward. So today's the issue or the discussion, the question around AI is not about the scale and the impact of what they can do. It is about trust and responsibility which it can imbibe, and that is going to be the currency for adoption at scale. So if AI systems are to be implemented and adopted across, especially in enterprises, you got to have trust and responsibility. The biggest takeaway is the amount of attention, amount of focus which we have, not just from the enterprises, but from the government, from the rest of the ecosystem, startups and the large enterprises alike. The recognition that responsible AI is here to stay, and they need to make sure that they get onto this broader, looking at systems in a very different light, as opposed to just productivity and then efficiency, but also looking at it from does it really provide trust for adoption. Basically, it means that how do you make sure that AI is no longer hallucinating, AI is no longer throwing you the answers which are not correct, and so on. I think that the focus has come in, and the recognition that it's no longer AI is no longer in experimentation phase, but it's already here, which means that you got to be, whatever that you are doing, there's a sense of urgency that we got to build in these trust and compliance and trust and responsibility now, not tomorrow, not next year. Nasscom's role here very clearly is we play the trusted neutral source, a neutral agency to bring in all the players together, whether it is government, whether it is enterprises, startups. We provide the platform. We make sure that we bring in, take policy, work with the government, and then take it to implementation and ensure that enterprises and startups and others who are actually using those policies are actually able to implement that without too much of a hassle. So we truly bring in that neutrality, because we don't have an axe to grind. We're a non-profit. We want to make sure that we do the right thing for the industry, right thing for the AI revolution, if you may, and build in those responsibility, build in those trust, so that people can look at this, the public, and when tomorrow when they look at an AI system, there needs to be trust and credibility to those. That's what our role is going to be.